What if you could clearly identify exactly which drivers require immediate attention? This is a critical question because most decisions today rely on incidents that have already occurred or scattered real-time data. By the time action is taken, the damage may already be done.
But safety should not begin after an incident. It should begin before risk turns into reality. To solve this, the Top 5 Risky Drivers widget has been introduced in the dashboard. This widget leverages video telematics insights collected directly from devices. By analyzing driver behavior patterns, the system identifies which drivers pose higher risk and require immediate focus. Let's take a quick look at how it works. On the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon and select the Top 5 Risky Drivers widget under the video telematics section. All the relevant information is presented in one centralized view. The widget categorizes drivers into high-risk and medium-risk zones, allowing managers to instantly recognize priority cases. For deeper analysis, detailed reports are available to help understand not only who is risky, but also why they are classified as such. This approach enables managers to move beyond general monitoring and focus on areas where proactive action is truly needed. Because safety isn't about treating every driver equally, it's about directing attention where risk is most likely to escalate. With the Top 5 Risky Drivers widget, unsafe behavior is identified early, risks are addressed proactively, and clearer visibility into driver performance is achieved. Thanks for watching.